KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Tuesday, the 24th of September. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather not changing much for a while. Temperatures above average, rain below average, and the tropics are active. Let's go in there and check things out. There's the ridge. It's been parked over us for a long time. It stays in place for at least the next 5 to 7 days. Got a surface boundary across central Alabama. There's the visible satellite view. You can clearly see that. North of the boundary, a cloudless sky. Over the northern third of the state, for the southern two-thirds of the state, a field of cumulus clouds and a few showers, but really not many. That was the radar at 2:34. At that point, had a couple of showers over Sumter and Choctaw counties in West Alabama, and that's about it. And obviously, most places will stay dry tonight. Temperatures around the nation, again, we're in the low 90s in most spots across our state. Nice and cool up in the northeast and the northwest. Flash flood watches in effect for parts of Arizona, New Mexico, Oklahoma, and Arkansas. And we have an enhanced risk of severe storms through tonight for parts of Iowa, Minnesota, and Wisconsin. The broad risk runs from the northern part of Oklahoma up into the upper part of Michigan, the UP of Michigan. Tomorrow, a marginal risk, couple of them well to the west, and on day 3, no severe weather expected on Thursday. And again, every day this week we'll mention isolated showers, but most of you will stay dry. Rain for the next 7 days, bigger numbers across parts of the Midwest. Down here, if you get 1/10 of an inch, you'll be lucky over the next 7 days. Check the tropics. We got 3 on the board: Jerry, Karen, and Lorenzo. Little wave, by the way. It's north of the Yucatan. That'll be moving toward the Mexican coast. Development not expected. Let's start with Jerry. This is weakening. Winds are down to 50 miles per hour. This will pass near Bermuda tomorrow and then fizzle out over the middle of the Atlantic. Lorenzo. This could become a powerful hurricane later this week, but it bends north. And this one will likely recurve into the open North Atlantic. No threat to the United States. So Karen remains the most intriguing of the 3. This will be coming across Puerto Rico over the next few hours, then moving north-northeast, and then it hits a brick wall with a ridge north of this. And the Hurricane Center suggesting that Karen could bend back to the west-southwest. But there's a lot of uncertainty here. This is the European ensemble. You got 51 members, and you got about 6, 7, 8 of them bring it over toward the Gulf of Mexico. You got a couple of them push it out into the Atlantic. Most of them just leave it sitting there for days. So this could be out there for quite a while, but we'll keep an eye on it. Intensity guidance about as muddy as the placement. You see a couple of models bring it up to a Category 1. Some weaken this to a depression. We'll just keep an eye on it. It's going to be around for a long time. Let's check the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. Got an upper low that's southwest of Phoenix, broad troughing over Canada, ridge here, and again with a surface boundary nearby. We'll mention just isolated showers. Most places dry, highs low to mid-90s. Same thing Thursday, same thing Friday. The chance of any one spot getting wet, very low, 10 to 20%. Highs by Friday ticking up toward the mid-90s, and the weekend's going to be hot. Mostly dry. This is Saturday and this is Sunday. Mostly sunny both days, mid-90s, close to record levels for this time of the year. Not a lot of change on Monday of next week, low to mid-90s. Any showers few and far between, and this is a week from today, Tuesday, October 1st. That old nasty upper high just northwest of here, cold trough in the west. And again, for us, we are hot and dry, while snow is likely across the northern Rockies, the patches of blue you see out there. But looky here now. Come on, let's go out 10 days. Could it be Friday of next week, October 4th? A trough replaces the ridge. And a cold front comes in here Thursday of next week, and by Friday, we turn cooler. And look at the output for Saturday, October 5th. Temperatures going well below average here. I mean, way below average. But, you know, what I'm about to say, don't believe this until you see it. In a persistent pattern, you typically prefer a persistence forecast. This could happen, and it will at some point. No doubt fall's going to get here, and maybe this is it. But I would be skeptical at this point. Rain for the next 15 days off the European, the mean under 1/2 inch. Mid-90s for the weekend and early next week, and then the numbers trail off a little bit, but still above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.